panoorin natin yung... Ay, huy.
Pagsimula ng dumating, hindi ka free sa connection. Wala hindi kahit di ka bumilip. Walang pagkakamapan, wala kang sumunukan. Isip mo, ikaw na sinungan. Kasama ko
ang interview po natin. So, kumusta naman po? Ano po nararamdaman natin sa ano?
Ayun na. Tingnan mo kayo muna. Kayo muna.
Hi po! Say hi, dali.
Hi.
Hello! Good mommy! Nakabibilin mo yung kombi na pagkabingay. So, ayan po. May copy po yan.
Inaano ko ni Tito.
Binubudol.
Ito kayo.
Players. It's a championship game on the junior division involving Uni Cabana versus Macy and Mishra. Paalala sa mga players na kung meron kayong bracelet, hikaw, singsing, kuitas, pakitanggal muna para sa inyong maligtasan na naglalaro.
Muulan? Biglang bumuhos oh. Kainis naman, biglang bumuhos. Biglang bumuhos. Cancel na. Cancel. Ito ba kasi bigla? Hey! Cancel na. May balat sa puwit. Jackpot, jackpot. So paano ba yan guys? Cancel.
Huwag na lang, toss ko.
Toss kayo na lang, toss kayo. Naka-ready no. Jackpot, jackpot. Sundance.
Babies dapat yun.
Dapat mag-alay ng itlog eh. Wala na yun. Sayang yung mga bote. Ayun, makakatong.
Ayun, like, lagyan mo ng carton.
Kaso ano dyan, sobrang basa. So ayan po, tatakip muna ng mga tagal kasi. Sana alas 7 ano, pasok kayo sa Pizza na natin. Ito na.
To Sikat again. Sikat shots. Sikat 2 points. Panginoon may tangan ng bola. From the top of the key. Montes. Stop by Panginoon. Panginoon may tangan ng bola para sa Uni Cabana. Panginoon. Thanks to Montes. One pass now here. 2 points. Montes dito, back to Montes. Montes orchestrating traffic. Takes a deep run. Montes, 3 points. Official score of the game, 7-5. 2-point lead by Mason Asia. Here comes Orani stops and pop. 2 points. Sikat. Sikat shots. Very good. Javier, 2 points. Kiko inbounds the ball to Montes, started by Javier. All the way at the post, all the base, all the way back, bomb, spins, use it, but there's Sikat underneath. Sikat shots. Very good, Javier. Javier naman sa ball, binigay Pangilinan. Pangilinan, atakan na dito, spins. Pangilinan pa rin. Pangilinan, gawin by Montes. tinawag kay jersey number 4. Montes, kailangan ng bola, binigay kay Sigat sa poste. Sigat pa. There's a whistle and a foul. Substitution.
Boy, dito lang, boy.
Katawag Ito out. Brown, his first personal foul, second team foul. Katawag, Dr. Montes. Sigat. Fakes. Sigat pass, lays it out. Good, topping it up on pupunta kay Sigat pa rin. Sigat, pero AJ. Turns in 2 points para kay Sigat. All 9 ating dalaan, Javier. Javier roll for his teammates, got him with the ball. Back to Pangilinan to Brown. Brown attacks, Brown pops. Lose the ball, Malulay Katag. Shot still good, Samurai underneath, 2 points.
Tangkad.
Matag, inbounds the ball to Montes. Got him with Javier. Montes, roll for his teammates. Montes attacks at the middle. 100, 2 points. Pangilinan to Javier. Javier attacks. Javier loses it. There's a whistle out of bounds. The ball goes to Macy and Bishop. Katag to Montes. Montes over for his teammates. Binigay Omboy. Omboy, got him sa kulagi. Omboy pumps. Omboy loses it. Omboy again. To Katag. Got the corner shot. No good. Sakuragi on the board. Sakuragi na. No good. Tabi ng bola. Mga Sigat. Sigat. Inusumusok. Inaman. Napayungan. Napunta kay Omboy. Omboy. Make shot. Block. Brown ilabas ng konti. Brown. Roger. Palms. Shots. 2 points. And foul. Who's foul rip? Basket counted. Foul jersey number 17. 18. Foul jersey number 18. Katag. Riz. First personal foul. First team foul. Omboy with the board. Omboy fakes. Omboy caught dancing with Pantropico. Traveling violation. Pangilinan, inbounds the ball. Throw player. Back to Pangilinan. Pangilinan has his work. He attacks at the middle. Goal by Steve Sinatala. 2 points for Pangilinan. 4-point lead by Black Shirts. Montes takes a deep run. Montes in and out. Tabi na ng bola. Brown recovers. Brown shots. Over. Mabawala kay Montes. At the middle side. 7 more. Lays it up. No good. Sauragi takes in. There's a whistle. Foul on jersey number 0. Omboy his first personal foul. Second team foul. At the middle jersey number 21 from Munigabana. Sauragi shooting 2. First race good para kay Sauragi. 7 try jumpers ready. That's 2-2 para kay Sauragi. Official score of the game. 17-11, 6-point lead enjoyed by Munigabana. Here comes Montes at the middle. Stops and pop. No good. Topping ng bola out of bounds. The ball goes to Macy and Bishop Ball. Katag to Montes. Sigat receives the ball at the post. Spins. Shot. Taylor shot. No good. Sauragi with the board. Spin. Shot. Blocked by Omboy. Omboy. No good. Here comes Katag. Katag stops and pop. 2 points. Pangilinan takes a deep one. Rebound, but there's a whistle and a foul. Foul on. Foul on jersey number 4, Brown. Substitution. Brown hits. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Substitution. Babani in. Montes out. Bali, inbounds the ball to Katag. Katag, dribble, incoming. Katag, Javier with the ball. Goal for his teammates. Binigay sa Kurag. Stolen by Omboy out of bounds. Same ball. Pangilinan may tahan ng Blue.
Pinabato lang. Ganitong ganito ito eh, oh. Yan yung tira ni Jong na nakakamiss.
Again.
Jericho. To Sikat na po. Sikat, Pops. Sikat. Speed. Bigay yung boy. Sila. Javier. Bali Kapani. Bigay yung Wilkins. Shots. Ramos. They're good. Oboy to board. Oboy. Nilabas ang konti na nga. Backseat. They're good. Topic. Baka hindi mo sa ball tumatag. Binigay Sikat sa poste. Sikat umikot. There's a foul. Foul on the ground. Jersey number 28. Ramos is first. Personal foul. Warning to penalty. Katag. Another three. Javier. Dancing with Bakani. Javier screen by Saurali. Javier. Out of bounds. The ball goes to Macy and Misha. Substitution. There's a screen. Javier out. Bakani, bigay katag. Sikat, receive sa post. Counted by Jesus. Sikat, 3 ball, drop katag. In and out, on the board. Oboy, face, bombs. Oboy, shot. Number 2 points. On the ball, left time out, Gordy. Pangit na Bea Ramos, back to Pangilinan. Jesus at the post, all the way to the pumps. Jesus spins, middle chain, very good. Oh boy, look boy, spins. Oh boy, look boy, spins, very Pangani, very good. Tapi na po, lama po muna pa rin Pangani, face, shot block. Pangani. Tumatag, oh boy at the post, oh boy, reverse, oh boy, pass out, oh boy, Sikat, point lead, Pangilinan, takes a deep one, very good, Ramos to the ball, cutting Jesus, takes shots, very good, copy ng bola, Katag, recovers, 5-point lead by Mason Misha. Change favor na. Ramos may tawag na bola para sa Rudy Cabana. Ramos, kawala may Pangani. Back to Pangilinan. Pangilinan screen. Pangilinan. Dancing with Pangani. Pangilinan na pass. Pangilinan. Jesus stops. Jesus nilapit. Bigay ng Pangilinan underneath. Ball server. Tabi na ng bola sa Sauragi. At the corner shot. Passing 2 points. Sauragi. Pangani Katag. River teammates. On boy. Face. On boy pass. On boy shots. But there's a whistle. There's a foul. First try, no good. Bottom of your boy. Second try, jumpers ready. That's over 2. Ramos to the board. Ramos, Migot, face, shots. Very good. Sikat to the board. Sikat, low by Sikat nilabas. Sikat, babagas sa dalawa. Binigay Katag. Katag, 15 over. Very good. Pangilinan ng board. Pangilinan face. Pangilinan. Screen by Jesus. Pangilinan, to Ramos. Sauragi sa gilid. Inamat. Very good. There's a whistle. The ball goes to substitution. Winning a ball. Sakuragi out. Magan in. Montes in. Patawag out. Pangilinan, bigay Jesus sa poste. Jesus. Jesus got shots, 2 points para Jesus. 1 point lead by Mason and Isha. 25-24, 7 minutes on the game clock. Montes. Montes stops, fakes, lower by teammates, behind underneath. Shots! Very good, Ramos to the board. Magan, shots, bangs it. 2 points. Timeout.
Si Ongboy naman siya ngayon.
Mamaya kaya na yan, pedok yan.
Kanina na lang.
Homeboy receives at the post. Homeboy pass. Homeboy shots. Homeboy 2 points. Cage Labor 27-26 facing Misha. Out of bounds. Magaling ball sa board to Pangilinan. Pangilinan, orchestrating traffic para sa Liga Mana. Jesus receives the ball, down na Montes. Jesus attacks at the middle. Jesus pump it, lose it. Abot na kay Omboy, Omboy shots. Very good. There's a foul on jersey number 1, Magan. His first personal foul. Penalty.
Lakas ni Gerson. Hindi siya mabalik.
First right good ball by jersey number 0, Omboy, na Macy and Misha. Second try, jumpers ready. Very good, Sigat to the board, Sigat to Omboy, Omboy underneath, volley moves, so good. Here comes the 600 feet. Basket counted. Disciple to Montes. Montes attacks at the middle, found by Magan. Montes, reverse teammate, Sigat. Reverse lane, very good. Tapi ka na pala mapupunta kay Pangilinan. 3-4. Bruno Verses. Montes. Face the 3, pinili ka Omboy. Omboy attacking Ramos. Omboy speaks, lose it, Disciple. Disciple attacks, 100 shot. No good. Jesus with the board. Jesus, mataas ilalim. Jesus, saragulapin na pinili ka Ramos. Ramos sumagan. Shot. No good. Sigat with the board. Ilabas ang konti ng atong ikot. 2 points. Para Sigat. 30-31, Pangilinan. Ramos, dahil ba yung boy? Ramos, back to Pangilinan. Pangilinan pass, dancing with the boy. Pangilinan stops. Lewis teammates lose it. Montes. Napunta kay Ramos. Ramos to Jesus. 5 seconds to shoot. Pangilinan from the Rainbow 1-3. Good. Jesus to Ramos. Magalani. Foul. Who's foul ref?
Sumabit.
Jersey number 28, Sigat. His first personal foul. Third team foul. At the middle, jersey number 1 from Unicabana. Magan shooting 2. First right shoot para kay Magan. Second try, jumpers ready. That's number 2, substitution. Guevara in. Omboy out. Marami na muna nilagaan ang buhay, no? Montes, going for his teammates. Montes attacks at the middle, side second move, 100 shot, 2 points. Maray Montes. 32-33, 1 point lead by the Black Shirts. Javier at the post. Javier, counted by Disimulo. Javier Extra pass to Ramos, 2 points.
Walang tao sa ilalim.
Guevara, he calls the ball to Montes, takes a 3. Montes, 3 ball. No good. Tapping ang bola, Javier. To Pangilinan. Dancing with Montes. Pangilinan nagumay Lopez. Out of bounds. Hold the ball rep. Para ngayon ang ball muna natin mararat. Pangilinan. To Javier. Javier got it by Disimulo, but there's a whistle. Foul on jersey number 8, Disimulo. His first personal foul. 1
Umalis
into
kasi kayo
penalty.
dyan. Tumatanong
Maga,
ka.
10 seconds to shoot. Pangilinan. Here comes Ramos. 3 seconds to shoot. 2 points para Ramos. 37-33. Black shirts with 5-point lead. Guevara, got it with Pangilinan. 3 ball incoming. No good. Disimulo with the ball. Disimulo shots. 2 points para Disimulo. Pangilinan got it with Montes. Pangilinan showing style. Napunta kay Sigat. Sigat shots. Left ball alone. 2 points. Magan, impossible to Pangilinan. At the ball is Ramos. Ramos, extra pass to Pierre, but there's a whistle. Black ball, ang itinawag ng ating buting referee. Magan. Magan na pass. Magan rin, napunta kay Montes. Guevara underneath. Shot, 2 points. Para kayo lang, Guevara. Time out. Javier at the post. Got it with Disimulo. Javier, pass. Javier, spins. Shots. 2 points. Para Javier.
Wala.
Guevara, equals the ball to Montes. Got it with Magan. Iniwan. Montes, 1 under shot. 2 points. 1 point lead by Mason Misha. Pangilinan from the rainbow and reverse it. 3 points. Montes. Foul by Pangilinan. Pangilinan, second personal foul penalty.
Sasayaw-sayaw ka pa. Tumapit ka na.
At the middle, jersey number 13, Montes. First rise good. That's 2. Substitution. Ombre in, Bani in, Kataan in. Out sila.
Hindi dapat si ano.
Pangilinan. Javier at the post. Got it with Makani. Shots. 2 points para kay Javier. Montes katahan ang bola. Got it with Magan. Montes hesitates for a 3. 3 ball incoming. In and out. All the way to the board. All the way pass. Extra pass to Makani. Makani attacks underneath. Shot all board. Ramos. 2 points. Championship atmosphere at sa barangay Moray 8. Here comes Omboy. Pinali naman. 2 points para yung Omboy. 44-46.
Oh!
Pangilinan may kanang bola gawin may kataan. Binigay kay Ramos. Gawin may Omboy. Ramos spins. Face. Shots. In and out. Tapping ang bola. Javier. Ilamat. 2 points. 4-point lead and joined by Yuri Gabana. Bamani. Binigay Montes. Montes makes a 3. Stops. And pop. No good. Magan on the board. Magan. Binigay Ramos. Ramos banks it. 2 points. Katag. Screen. Katag. May tama ng board. Gawad with boy. Magan. Katag. Diniscard na sa Misha. Binigay mo po yan. You want a pass. You want a move. 2 points para yung boy. Pangilinan. Binigay Javier. Javier. Gawad with Bamani. Javier. Crosser. Pass to Magan. Shots. Pangilinan. Pangilinan. 5 arrows. Extra pass to Magan. Under 8. 2 points.
Si Bakani.
Here comes over in the middle shot, no good. Over the board, now to the top, but there's a whistle.
Sabi.
Jersey number 9. Jersey number 19, foul. Javier, his first personal foul penalty. First try, no good. Para your boy, second try, jumpers ready. Second try para your boy, jumpers ready. That's good. Substitution. Official score of the game, 52-47, 58 seconds left on the first frame. Pangilinan, Tumagan. Tapay yung boy, napunta kay Tatawag shots. Very good. Sauragi with the board. Sauragi naman. Out of bounds. Block ball lang tinawag. 49 seconds left on the first frame. Pangilinan, Pangilinan Montes, Pangilinan. Pangilinan, di-discount yung mga Sony Cabana. Pangilinan, dancing with Montes. Pangilinan pass. Pangilinan hesitates. Extra pass sa Sauragi. Let's hit. Out of bounds. The ball goes through. Macy and Misha. Katag. Throw boy at the middle. Fox. Very good. Wrong way. There's a whistle. And a foul. Jersey number 21, Sauragi. Shooting 2 on the top line. First try served by your boy. Second try, jumpers ready. That's super blue by your boy. Official score of the game, 52-25 on the game clock. Javier Palm, Lucid, Napunta Magan, 3 ball. No good. Out of bounds. Shot lang is off, 18 seconds on the game clock. Montes, Tumatag. Kapag, goal receiving is Omboy. Omboy attacks again. But there's always a left foul.
Galing mo ang boy.
Technical throw para Saudi Cabana. Second personals. Oh no boy. Technical throw no good.
Sir.
14 seconds na lang naman.
Second try para kay your boy, jumpers ready.
Shoot!
No good. Sauragi with the board. Sauragi, nilabas ang boy. Sauragi shots. No good. Omboy with the board. Omboy. 5 seconds left. Omboy shots. 2 points. And a reverse frame of Richard Scott and all 52.
Lakas to!
Boy, nice one, boy.
Hoy, umusog kayo.
Benches mo, usa-gusa tayo, napaka-power dyan sa gilid. Usa-gusa mo tayo, benches. O James, napaka-power natin dyan sa gilid. Kata, game pass, ang mga test. Hey, Omboy, Jesus, Omboy pass. Omboy stop, get out, no good. Technical foul, jersey number 7.
Pinapit mo, bakit?
Kaya nga napaano si Omoy. Tawad kasi yun.
Technical throw is good. Kata, game pass the ball to Montes. Montes attacks Labitag. There's a foul on the ground. Jersey number 14, Labitag, his first personal foul. First team foul. Second team foul pala. Oh boy. Shots over there too. 2 points. Labitag, game pass the ball to Pangilinan. Back to Labitag. Down to Montes. Labitag to Pangilinan. At the post, Pangilinan. Shots underneath. 2 points for Pangilinan. 54-55, 1.35 Mason Misha. Katag, 3 ball. Katag, no good. Jackson sinabas ang konti naman. No good, copy ka ng bola. There's a whistle. The ball goes to the white shirts. Katag, binigay Montes. Montes, counter by Labitag. Montes, City's counter box sa Mason Misha. Spins. Montes. 1 under. Benson negative. Jesus with the board. Jesus. Shots over Omboy. 2 points. Para Jesus.
Full video yan. Kaya patay ko lang.
55. Sigat at the post. The other way around. Spins. Fake. Shots. Sigat. No good. Ramos with the board. Bigay Pangilinan. Pangilinan reset sa 3 ball. 3 ball from Pangilinan. There's a foul. Offensive foul. Ang ginawag kay Pangilinan. Pangilinan is third personal foul. Montes. Inatakan sila Bitag. Montes at the middle shot, but there's a whistle. Foul on jersey number 14. Second personal foul. Third team foul at the middle. Jersey number 13. Montes. Warning on jersey number 4, Pangilinan. Resentment to a hole. Ang tinawag natin buti yung referee. First try Montes is good. Second try, jumpers ready. That's wrong for the Montes. Pangilinan with the ball. Pangilinan taps. Binigay kay Jesus underneath. Jesus, 2 points. Assisted by Pangilinan. Katag. Big Omboy. Omboy attacking. Omboy out of bounds. The ball goes to the white shirts.
Pagkita ni Lila.
Katag. Ipon to Montes. Montes spins. Montes counter the Labitag. Montes face. To Omboy at the middle. Ramos on the board. Ramos bombs. Lose it. Out of bounds.
Last touch mo.
Warning, no jersey number 28. Sigat for continuous of playing. Labitag attacks. Labitag iniwan sa Montes. Labitag sa isang lugo. Ramos at the middle. Oh! 2 points. Here comes Montes. Bigay ang Sigat. Sa gitna. Sigat. Pass. Shot. Hail shot. There's a whistle. Jersey number 4. Who's ball red? Jersey number 14, Labitag. His third personal foul, warning the penalty. First line, jersey number 28, Sikat. No good. Second line, jumpers ready. Second line, no good. Sikat pa rin. Sikat, shots over Ramos, no good. Ramos in the ball. Extra pass to Jesus. Jesus in the start. No good. Kapigyan ang bola. Foul underneath. First one red. Jersey number 28, Ramos. His second personal foul, penalty.
Ayaw ko na po talaga.
And then we know jersey number... First rise goal para Sikat. Second try. That's 2-2. Timeout committee, palain na muna.
Roger, referee. Wala na, alam mo para natin.
Back to the ball game, Pangilinan receives the ball, nakapunta ka Jesus at the ball, started by Sikat. Jesus at the middle, Jesus, third by teammate, Jesus, solid pick up. Pataga na, stops, and block. Hindi na, tabi na ball over the leg, Pangilinan. 2 points, right, clear on that. Oh, 60. Lapitan sa Pangilinan, dahil may katan. Pangilinan. Pangilinan screens, Pangilinan showing stand against everyone. Pangilinan stops and pop. 2 points. 60. Montes. Montes iniwan si Lapitan. Face. Montes, one under. There's a whistle.
Traveling.
Montes caught. Traveling violation.
Kanina pa yun eh.
Pangilinan, gano'n may katag. Sa pose, Ramos, gano'n may Sikat. Palms, Ramos beams. Fairly play, block by over. There's a whistle. Foul, no boy. This third personal foul, first team foul. Substitution. PG, pin. Tenlo, lapit ka. First line, no good. Second line, para kay Ramos. Jumpers ready. Substitution. Official score 63-60. 11 minutes and 57 ang nagigwa. Patag. Binigay Sikat sa Moses. Sikat. Face, Sikat, palms, Sikat, shots, they're good. Javier with the board, Javier, face, extra pass to Ramos, looks up and Rocky. 2 points. Patag, binigay Bakani. Bakani attacks at the middle, side step and move to Sikat. Sikat attacks, face, shots. And a foul. Ramos, person number 28, his third personal foul, penalty. Sikat at the middle, award his bonus score. Hold the ball, rep. Tawag daw ni Brian Alvarez. There's a whistle. Uni ka ba na ball? Pangilinan may tawa na bola para sa Uni ka ba na? Foul with Bakani, Pangilinan. Pangilinan strong side, there's a foul. Foul on the ground, Bakani. His first personal foul, second team foul. Pangilinan to Ramos. Javier receives at the post, Javier palms, spins, shots, no good, Sikat on the board. Shots underneath, no good, Sikat pa rin. Sabi na, block. Pangilinan on the board. Pangilinan, labas ang bola. Pangilinan, tags ang patag. Pangilinan, to Ramos. Ramos attacks, lumabas teammates, Pangilinan, red goal. Touchdown. No good, Sikat on the board. Sikat, Pangilinan attacks, lose it, tatag. 3-1. Pangilinan, Pangilinan, takes the side. Second personal foul. Third. First try is good. Well, the ball. Second try para kay Javier. Jumpers ready. Level. Baka yung board. Baka yung speeds. Baka yung shots. 2 points and foul. Foul on jersey number 19, Javier. His third personal foul. Bonus throw para jersey number 22 ng Mason Misha.
Raisa na to.
Babani. Nagel, sa oras dito bro, nilabas ang ball and shots over the Discipulo. Nagel, tabi ka ng bola, Sika Pangalain, block by sa oras, block by Discipulo. One pass, from way downtown, Nagel, Sika, underneath, Sika, speed, block by sa oras, Bani, Bani, under Somerset, foul, one pass, jersey number 19 is, first personal foul.
Sa ilalim pa lang.
Nanonood lang referee oh.
Time out, Mason Misha.
Sa ilalim pa lang may foul na. Tangina.
Javier at the ball, started by Discipulo. Javier at the start there. Javier loses it. Mabula Discipulo. Discipulo pass, lays it out. Javier, tapping the ball up. There's Somerset. Omila, out of bounds. The ball goes to the black shirts. Una Cabana Bro. Ramos. To Javier at the ball. Javier got it by 2. Javier.
Iba yung tumama sa base sa lipa.
Tama. Right, rep.
Ramos inbounds the ball to Pangilinan. Paano by Montes? Pangilinan dito sa attacking. Shots, basic, 2 points for Pangilinan. Montes, sa tangan ng bola. Montes, server team, Calvin Ramos. Montes attacks. Montes, one under, no good. Tabi ng bola, Sika. Sika ng bola, dinangat, no good. Look on Sauragi. Sauragi, no good, teammates, Pangilinan. Gawala by Montes, Pangilinan. Orchestrating traffic para sa mga team. Pangilinan. Pangilinan attacks. Pangilinan at the middle. Pangilinan spin, stops, and pop. No good. Discipulo with the board. Montes, 3 ball from way downtown. Lawan naman ang isa. Javier attacking. No good. Here comes Ramos. 3-point lead by Mason Misha. Ramos binigay ko Pangilinan. Javier at the post. Down naman yung Discipulo. Bounce. Javier popping. Passing to Pangilinan. Loses it. Out of bounds.
Oh, napapalakpak si Moja oh. Moja palakpak pa. Naabangan.
Maluto si Renson. Kita mo siya lang laban.
BCMB bro. Ayun. Bench, pwede naman sa bench. All the way rep, nasa ball to Montes. Discipulo na siya sa post. Base, Discipulo. Back to Montes. 15 seconds shoot, Montes. Montes, step up 3. Going downtown, Sauragi with the board. Ilabas ang bola na. Sauragi 2 points. 1 point lead by the right shirts.
Mamadali.
Warning for delaying the game.
May lakad.
Tangani, Pangilinan loses it but there's a foul, and there's number 4 Pangilinan. Is scored. Personal foul. Penalty.
Yan na foul ni Pamilya.
Apat na.
And the middle jersey number 22 from Macy and Misha. Razor Pangani, shooting 2. First nice good for Pangani.
Rayson, kalma!
Second try, numbers ready.
Kalma lang!
Level. Out of bounds. 72-17. 2-point lead by the Lightshirts. Pangilinan is the third attack at the middle stop. 100 David. Tapi na mula sa kuba dito Pangilinan. Pangilinan recovers. Paul. Pangilinan versus himself. And a foul on jersey number 28, Sikat. Yes. Second personal foul. Warning. Penalty na po. Penalty na both teams are in penalty situation. First line loser para Pangilinan. Substitution. Macy and Misha Montes. To Sigat. Sigat attack. Foul sa Oragi, jersey number 21 is third personal foul. Bonus daw para kay Sigat. Bonus throw para kay jersey number 28, Sigat ng Macy and Misha. Jumpers ready. No good. Topping in the bola, half over the line. Out of bounds. The ball goes to the Lightshirts, Macy and Misha Wall. Montes. Orchestrating traffic para sa Macy and Misha. Montes attacks. Stops, 100, 2 points. Biggest lead para sa Macy and Misha, 76-76 points. Here comes the Jesus. Darwin Montes, screen, point round. Offensive foul on jersey number 4, Brown. Three ball from way downtown. No good. There's 6 underneath. 2 points. Into substitution. Jesus out. Javier in. Hold the ball, rip. Bayan na Katag, Galway Pangilinan. Katag. Service of Lord, binigay kay Montes. Galway sa Oragi, Montes. Johnny side, iniwan na. 2 points.
Pakita best yun eh, no? Iwan na siya eh. Ano ba talaga mo?
Balik mo, Jason!
Foul on jersey number 4. Unsportsmanlike foul on jersey number 4. Basket counted.
Isang 4 yung mataba. Oo nga.
Oo, apat na kanina.
Alin?
Rep.
Itong 4, apat na.
Dalawang 4. Brown. Walk. Jersey number 4, Brown, warning to Bradley. Free throw counted para Montes. Possession ng Macy and Misha. Montes may tangan ng bola. Montes, serving sa Braun, para sa Mason, Misha screen by ang boy, 3 ball. No good. Javier with board. Javier nilabas si Monte. 2 points and a foul. Basket galing ng jersey, foul ng jersey number 0, Omboy. Yes. Third personal foul.
Kumabay.
At the middle, jersey number
Kumabay.
19, Javier Morris Constro. Substitution.
Palit kayo, Lot.
Palit, tumatanggal.
Constro is third, Juan Javier. Official score, 79-75. 7 minutes on the game clock. Attack from way downtown. Nugget, Sauraki. 2 points.
Malapit na naman na.
Kadal, Billy Montes, Sigat at the goal, Sigat. Sigat, Northern teammates, Montes. Montes bombs. Looks like Montes on his own. Pangilinan. Pangilinan.
Tag-break.
Dali pa, Jason!
Palit kayo, boy, mga 2 minutes.
Kasi kanina nagsabi.
First line is good. On the one, red timeout county. Benches, the benches. Second drive, Marley Montes. That's the way through. Jesus, Bill Sauraki. At the most of it, there's a whistle. Foul, jersey number 8.
Baka mo na
His
lang.
third personal foul. Penalty. Both teams are in penalty situation.
Wala kang butan. Tawag ka na yun, hindi naman naabot dun eh.
At the middle, jersey number 19 from Monica
Baka
Pan.
mo na lang.
First try, no good. Second try, para kay Javier. Jumpers ready. There's a whistle, another one. Another one.
Mundo na kapay magtatakbo.
Box out, bago talon.
Last throw para kay Javier. Jumpers ready.
Hindi ka ng pag-aataon. Choy.
No good.
Nice one.
Out of bounds. The ball goes to the Blasters. Unica Pan ball. Official score of the game 81-77, 6 minutes and 43 on the game clock. Jesus, he was one up here. At the ball, here comes Jesus. Jesus,
Buti hindi ka tinawagan ng foul.
Wala eh.
Antik na.
Brown, it was a ball to Javier. Javier attacks. There's a whistle. Foul. Javier shooting two. First try, no good. Para Javier. Second try, jumpers ready.
Sa ang kamay ko.
That's 1 for 2. Para Javier. Official score, 81-78. Katag, bitahan po lang. Bigay sikat. Top the way. Out of bounds. Same ball. Montes back to Katag. Katag. Katag back to Montes. Montes service the green. 12 seconds to shoot. Montes. Side second move. Bigay Katag. Left alone. Katag. Javier with the board. Javier nilabas ng konti. Lord for his teammates. Brown. Brown diniscard. Bigay Javier. Palms. Bigay Jesus. Jesus. Dancing with salamin. Throwing violation.
Nag-2 steps ka.
Katag.
Tira.
Katag attacks at the middle. Block by Sakuragi. Sakuragi finish. Cross. No good. Sakuragi again. 2 points.
Box out.
84-82. Montes. Montes service of Lord. Top the wave. Siga takeovers. 3-4. Raiders kita na Monte Brown. Brown nagtitimuan pa sa mga team. Brown sa second move. Montes sa whistle. Foul on jersey number 8. First line the good by Brown. Raiders, wait na ng konti. Audience, papago. Brown, second high, jumpers ready. Good, Sigat with the board. Sigat, number 6, Montes, base a 3. Montes attack, 100. Now, Sauragi shot, Sauragi, 2 points.
Haba na kami.
87-84, Montes. Top to the top, got it out here, top. Top it by Sigat, at the ball, started by Brown. Sigat shots, still good. Out of bounds. Substitution. Ramos pinangan ang bola, binigay ni Jesus. Good for Stevens, back to Ramos. Ramos, Stevens, sa liwan, sa unang kampana. Ramos, bounce back to Sauragi, out of bounds.
Madali na nila.
Patawagin po sa bola to Montes. Montes back to Katag. Katag to Montes. Montes, got it by Javier. 15 seconds to shoot, Montes. Montes bigay Omboy, base, Omboy pass, lays it up, pass it. 2 points by Omboy.
Boy, manalo na, boy. Boy, taas kamay lang, boy.
Ramos, bigay Javier. Javier discounting, Javier attacks, popping. Javier again, shots, short. Sigat on the road. Sigat, negative. There's no whistle. Jesus, got him in the knock. Jesus, Dennis got the money na. Crosser pass to Ramos. Ramos, bomb, big. Jesus, big. Javier on the lead, 100, negative. Sigat, dinabas ng konti. Sigat, big. Shot. Biggest lead para sa ACL siya. 91-84. Turn, right hand. Bawa dyan. Jesus. Pumping ka ba? Hi, Jesus. Pass on the middle. Speed. Harapan na sa whistle. At the middle, group number 7, Jesus. Shooting is great. Sauragi. 2 points para Sauragi. To the Omboy. At the post, bounce, Omboy. Shots. No good. Sigat, reward. Sigat, number Stevens. Montes receives. Montes. Baseline. Montes. Yusuf na pupunta na Omboy. Sauragi stops and blocked. In and out.
Nice.
Sigat loses it. Dapat na Javier. 100. 2 points.
Wala yung mga lapit.
Montes. 15 seconds to shoot. Montes.
Ito, nanunula ko.
Montes takes a deep. No good. Out of bounds. The ball goes to the block shoots. Baganin pa sa ball to Ramos. Javier at the ball, solid by yung boy. Javier Didi Salte. Javier Palms. Javier Chicken Wings. Negative. Tapi na po, there's always a one underneath. There's a foul on jersey number 28. Sikat his third personal foul. First try is good by Sauragi. Second try, jumper is ready. That's overdue by Sauragi. Official score of the game, 95-91, down the floor point lead by Mason Misha. Sigat at the first, finish, shots, 2 points. Magan. May down ang bola, Magan. Didiscount yung mga ng team. Presidents for 3, Ramos attacking. South and Pop. Banks it, 2 points. 97-93. Tatag. Bigay Montes. Montes, didiscount yung mga sa Mate and Misha. Montes. Bigay yung sa gitna. Obo attacking. Lose it. Out of bounds. Tap by Sauragi. 13 seconds to shoot, last 2 minutes. Montes. Montes. 3 ball. Still good. Popping in the ball, papunta pa rin Montes. Montes. Montes taking his time. 3 ball from the dog. Javier Mabo. Javier Melissa Javier Sanoy Gabana. Lopez Phoenix. Ramos. Top Javier underneath. 2 points. Pages here. Get out. Pages. 195. 5-point lead by the Lashers. Montes. Montes got the big Magan. Ice the play tinawag. 12 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Montes. Attacks. Montes stops. 102-95. Javier bigay kay Sauragi. Shots on the roll by 2 points by Sauragi.
Intense ang game.
Last 1 minute. Montes. Montes out of Javier. Montes taking his time seriously. Ice the play yung tinawag Montes. Montes. 15 seconds to shoot. Montes. 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 Ramos. Ramos.
Naglaro ng ball yun? Doon wala.
Foul on, who's foul rep? Foul on jersey number 13, Montes. His third personal foul.
Papay nga lang.
The ball!
Second high jumper is ready. Basket counted. Last row, Baray Ramos. Lulu, patawag nito. Tingin mo din, Spencer Russell, and foul. On jersey number 28, Ramos, his fourth personal foul.
Penalty! Alam mo naman.
At the yellow jersey number 18 from Mason Misha Mata. First try is good para Jericho Atag. Second try, jumpers ready.
Kaya na lang nila, no?
That's number 2. Official score 104-98, 39.8 on the last frame. Magani impossible to Ramos, pinigay Javier. Javier, linis ka na sa poste. Javier spins, nakawi na. Inaman, no good. Papamatay, sikat. Underneath, 200 face.
Apply mo! Isa pa, apply mo ba?
Send drive para yung boy jumpers ready. Negative, there's a result. Substitution. Labidagin, Ramos out. Maganda Labidag. Labidagin is coming bigay Magan. Load for teammates Labidag. 3 more from the back out. Short out of bounds. Shot clock is up. 21 seconds on the game clock. 104-98 Montes. Foul. Labidag is fourth. Personal foul. At the middle jersey number 13, Montes.
Nersom! Nersom!
First try, no good para Montes. Second try, jumpers ready.
Isa lang!
Second try, shoot para on the game clock. Magan, Tulabitag, to Sauragi. One Javier on the post. Javier, grounded by 2. Javier to Sauragi naman. Pass it, 2 points para Sauragi. Last 9.3 seconds. Foul by Magan. His second personal foul. Montes shooting 2 at the middle. First try is good para Jerson Montes. Second try. Second try para Montes. Jumpers ready. Second try short. Winning the ball last 8.7 seconds. 106-100. Labitag. 3 ball. Over na pumadaway. Javier, buwag. Sigat.
Finally!
Butis, wala mo na alis. Total score 106-100.
Congrats! Ah,
Tabi na ng both teams. Wala mo muna alis. Bottom tayo.
wala, hindi ka nagpakita kanina eh.
Awarding natin ang
Congrats, Rolly!
Champion!
Finally!
Thank you sa inyo ni Director David Chura. Butis, magandang gabi tayo. Muli, nagpapasalamat kami ngayon sa Dr. J. Barabantura. Uli, Padron Black Samana. Tingin lalo ng Engineer James Reyes. Bondis, Bonok po, Bondis, Bonok.
Kailangan na malaki eh.
Ano ba ate? Kinilig ka ba?
Siyempre!
O, ikaw na nga lang, mas
Hindi, sige, picture din kayo.
Ganun pareho.
Dali siya, tara na. Dali mo na. Madali mo na.
Ga-hyper ka na naman eh.
Tama mo na sila. Halika na, uwi mo na yan.
Throwback.
Dali siya, tara na. Dali mo na. Madali mo.
Ga-hyper ka na naman eh.
Ending na buhay. SK na ayoko na.
SK pa! Joey, SK! Mga SK pa!
Hello, congratulations! Congratulations, Macy! Misha and Macy! Oh, pasya, pasya. Pasya. Tama ka, Macy.
Elder Clifford oh. Basta
Puro. Congrats! Siyempre si Maming ano, all out ang support.
Okay, next group. Ang sabi nila mataba. Ikaw mapaya.
Nagkano?